Ladies and gentlemen, today, I'm here to present to you an extraordinary tool that has revolutionized the world of manufacturing and design. It is my pleasure to introduce ALPHACAM, a leading computer-aided manufacturing CAM software that has transformed the way we create and produce intricate components, parts, and products. ALPHACAM, developed by Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence, is a powerful CAD/CAM solution that offers unparalleled capabilities in the field of machining. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, ALPHACAM enables manufacturers and designers to efficiently program and control the entire manufacturing process from design to production. One of the key strengths of ALPHACAM lies in its versatility. The software supports a wide range of machining operations, including milling, routing, turning, and wire EDM, making it suitable for various industries such as aerospace, automotive, furniture, and many more. Whether you need to create complex 3D models or produce precision parts, ALPHACAM provides the tools and flexibility to meet your specific requirements. The heart of ALPHACAM lies in its robust and intelligent algorithms. These algorithms analyze and optimize toolpaths, ensuring the highest level of accuracy and efficiency in machining operations. By optimizing toolpath strategies, ALPHACAM minimizes production time, reduces material waste, and maximizes the utilization of machine tools, resulting in significant cost savings and improved productivity for manufacturers. ALPHACAM also excels in its automation capabilities. It integrates seamlessly with various CNC machines and hardware, enabling users to control and monitor the machining process directly from the software interface. This streamlined workflow eliminates manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors, enhancing overall productivity and consistency in manufacturing. Another standout feature of ALPHACAM is its comprehensive library of post-processors, which enables seamless integration with a wide range of machine tools and controllers. This ensures that ALPHACAM can be easily adapted to your existing manufacturing setup, eliminating compatibility issues and allowing for smooth transitions in production processes. Furthermore, ALPHACAM is backed by a dedicated team of technical support professionals who are readily available to assist users with any challenges they may encounter. This level of support ensures that users can maximize the potential of ALPHACAM and overcome any hurdles they may face during the implementation and usage of the software. Thank you for your time and attention during this presentation on ALPHACAM. We hope that you found the information valuable and gained a better understanding of how our software can revolutionize your woodworking business. If you have any further questions or would like more information about how ALPHACAM can specifically address the needs of your business, I encourage you to reach out to Smart Connected Solutions Southeast Asia Consultants. They are highly knowledgeable and experienced in implementing our solutions and can provide personalized guidance based on your requirements. Our consultants will be more than happy to discuss your business processes, understand your specific challenges, and offer tailored recommendations on how ALPHACAM can streamline your operations, enhance productivity, and drive profitability. Once again, thank you for your time, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve you and help you achieve greater success in the woodworking industry with ALPHACAM.